Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet the Mickey Mouse applique. Here I have used purple and pink color yarn. So let's see how to crochet the Mickey Mouse applique. Let's get started. At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. Make 3 chain. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So continue up to end. It will turn total 12 double crochet including this chain. Now make slip stitch in the third chain. Now work for round 2. Make 3 chain. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. So continue up to end. Now make slip stitch in the third chain. Give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Insert the yarn with a needle to secure the yarn. Now cut the extra yarn. I've made a first ear and have a long tail of yarn to join. Now let's make the second ear in same way. Make a slip knot and make 5 chain. Then make slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring and make 3 chain. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now slip stitch in the third chain. Now give a knot and take a long tail. Then cut the extra yarn. So we have a long tail to join. Now cut the back yarn. Now join the yarn. Now join the first yarn. Connect to chain. Now give a knot. Now secure the yarn in back side. Now cut the extra yarn. Now skip 2 chain and join from third chain. Now give a knot. Now join chain to chain. Now give a knot again. Again give a knot to secure it. Now secure the yarn in the back side. Now cut the extra yarn. Applique is completed. Thanks for watching.